My 2000 Malibu Response, it's been working pretty hard this summer, so I want to give it a little refresh and protect it for the rest of the season. So these are the two main products I'm going to use. This Star Brite Marine Polish, when I was researching how to cut and buff boats. This was recommended because of the PTEF, is really something that's good to prevent oxidation and then wax over the top. So recommend just following the instructions on the bottle. I think this really recommends like 2 coats, 24 hours apart. I'm not going to do that in the middle of the season, but I do try and do that in the off season to try and make sure you get the best protection for your boat. And then a good quality wax over the top. I like 3M because those are the products I use to cut and buff the boat, but you know, any decent quality wax should work fine. Get this kind of shine, that's what's going to prevent the UV damage and oxidation to the boat hull. All right, let me do the dramatic thing, get a little tape on for effect. First thing is just going to be cleaning this off. You can use whatever you want to clean your boat. I'm just using a little hot water and just a small squirt of dish soap. Just wiping it on in with a swirling motion. They do make applicators, but you can just use a rag as well. Just buff, polish it off by hand. That's just the Star Brite Marine Polish. Obviously looking pretty good already, but we'll still come through with some 3M wax for full protection. This is a 24-year-old boat, but they still clean up well if you know how to take care of them. There you go, should be able to see the difference. You can see the reflection difference over on this side. Pretty easy to spot the difference. All right, let's get the rest of the boat cleaned up. Luckily, my wife enjoys wiping off the polish and wax, so she helped me knock this out. Took about 20 minutes going through both coats, me applying, she wiping it off. So it looks pretty good. You know, doing this mid-season and then at the end of the year should keep your boat looking nice for quite a while. Also quickly use some 303 aerospace protectant on the inside. This helps protect the interior and keep it looking nice as well. So this interior is a little faded and used, but still prevents any additional tears or damage to the interior, and my kids can be pretty rough on it. Still need to vacuum out the carpets as there's a lot of goldfish crumbs and residue in there. If your boat's a little oxidized or faded, recommend, you know, polishing it, buffing it, and polishing it, and then using this method to maintain it twice a year. It's going to keep it looking really nice and avoid getting further oxidation. So when you get this kind of shine, that's what's going to prevent the UV damage and oxidation to the boat hull. So even, you know, a 25-year-old boat can still look pretty good, even older than 25 years, you know, as long as you maintain it and try and keep some bit of shine on it, that's going to keep your boat looking nice. Any interest in seeing a video on how to cut and buff, let me know. I can probably make one. Here's a quick video on a simple tip to make sure you're installing propellers properly. Thanks for watching.